Welcome to Bond Cottage. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, this is a 2-bedroom container house design. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet shipping container. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. So in the front we have sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living plus kitchen area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement. Also we have tea unit on the front wall, and on the left side we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have two large size windows and a large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And after that, if we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and wardrobe arrangement. Also we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. And if we go on the left side of the house, so we have 3 feet wide passage here, and on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the left side of the house we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. This is 2-bedroom shipping container house. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.